What's up, everybody? We got Ben Hobson here, and I wanted to ask him just this one simple question. Ben, what is money?
Is a figment of imagination, made up shit that people control. Money's the root of all evil, so I believe money is just made up and it's a control scam, and it's literally fucking fiber.
Yeah.
So,
dude, you killed it with the made up thing.
Yeah.
Money definitely is imaginary. It's
Yep.
going to be a tool that humans created, and we all just need to agree on what money is,
yeah,
so that we can transact together.
it ain't gold.
No,
It's
sir.
not gold, but no, it's imaginary. It's made up. It's monopoly. It's all a scam.
If you had to pick the best money, do you have any ideas?
Bitcoin or gold. Gold. I would love to have gold.
Well, Bitcoin's going to be better money than gold because gold is very hard to move across the oceans.
It is. It is.
Pretty heavy.
But it's hard to hold a Bitcoin in your hand, and it's just nice holding it.
Yeah, but we already established that money is imaginary.
True. This is true. Yeah. No, 100%. I agree. No, I'd love to. Bitcoin's easy because it's also, like you said, you can move a lot more with a lot little power.
It's a system, set of rules that we all agree on.
Yep.
Bitcoin's the best one. Definitely don't invest in XRP. Just ask this guy.
Don't do that. It's trash. Waste of time. Waste of money.
Hell yeah. Well, thanks, dude.
Yep. See you,
Awesome.
bud.
And don't forget to follow Ben. Check him out at FD. He's going to be killing it.
Oh, yeah.
Well, in the middle of all that, I had to run out and go buy some parts for a crashed, broken car. So now we're heading to O'Reilly's. I'm just looking at these views and hitting the rumble strips. Check them out. Ben and the other dude are fucking jamming. I'm just worried about this dude with the drone fucking crashing into my shit. You see him?
That was like
Wait, the fucking roast our hearts are
drive fixes the fact that you rotate the caliper up so it doesn't hit the wall.
Right.
It's like they're upright, it's like the badass.
Alrighty, we're out here on day 2.
Yes, sir.
Track owners a little upset about track owners are a little upset about all the damage to the track. So now we're going to be black flagging all these cars immediately if they decide to drop at all. Track owner wants it nice, prepared, ready to go. We're switching up the layout, and then yeah, see what's good for the rest of the day. Set onto the, Get it, buddy. All right, it's gonna drive off after that. All right, we're near the end of the day here, and track's gonna be shutting down in a couple of minutes. had a good time. This track's actually for sale, so if you're interested, check out Cam's Acres. Hit up the owner. Let him know Thomas Miata sent you.